Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday and Thursday and Friday we've something for you. It's Yakko and Wacko and Dot and the Doctor and Mindy and Buttons and Boo. Skullhead and Rita and Skippy and Pinky and Ralph and Minerva and mine. This week on TV on Kids WB, Animaniacs all of the time. It's Animaniacs week starting Monday on Kids WB.
Taking charge.
The National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Davies County, Greene County, northern Martin County until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm was located near Linton, or 30 miles southeast of Terre Haute, and moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. In addition, at Midland, a rotating wall cloud was reported by train spotters at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time with this storm. This storm has a history of producing ping-pong-size hail as well. Locations impacted include Bloomfield, Worthington, Swift City, Lyons, Newberry, Crane, Burn City, Owensburg. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.